Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Lyia's Loves. Today I have another Loot Crate Wizarding World box to open. So here is the box. Sorry for the glare. I have to put the light on the camera because it is a very gloomy day this October. Here is the sticker. Each month there's a different sticker pertaining to the theme of the box. So this is the Hogwarts emblem, and this month is House Pride, which I'm so excited about because everything is Slytherin themed. So let's just get into it right away. Let's just take a quick sneak peek, and let me just grab something out of here. And here is the first item. Let's just take it out of the packaging. Let's see. Okay. So this is a cute little backpack. Everything in the box, by the way, is Loot Crate exclusive. This is, let me just back that up a little bit. Is this. That's what it looks like inside. It's nice and sturdy. It's really cute. I like it. I mean, who doesn't need another tote bag? Who doesn't need another bag in their life? It's kind of. Needs to be fluffed out a little bit. So, first thing we have here is backpack. I want to get a better view of that so you can see it better. Let me see if I can. There, is that a better angle? All right, I think we're in business now. There we go, how about that? So you can actually see it better. Next thing, let's just grab something. Oh, okay, so they are missing another item. And it says, really quickly, to our brave Gryffindors, clever Ravenclaws, cunning Slytherins, and loyal Hufflepuffs, we're so excited for you to unbox your Back to Hogwarts crate. We just want to let you know that one of your items needs a little more time to arrive. Look forward to receiving your Hedwig pin in a separate shipment by mid-October. And then they give you information about their customer service. So, there's a missing item. Oh no. But the next thing I have is a Slytherin notebook, and I'm so glad I got this because I was actually thinking about getting one. I should come prepared with a knife for these big unboxings. Okay, so here it is. That's what it looks like inside. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love it. That is so awesome. Oh, I can't stop looking at it. I'm definitely gonna use it. I don't know what for, but oh my god. I don't even want to use it. Oh my god, I love it so much. All right. Oh, that is just the card. Oh, two more things. So let's see. This is a bookmark, and I'm actually reading Goblet of Fire right now, so this is actually perfect. How do you open this? I swear I am the worst at opening these damn packages. Here's what it looks like out of the package. Noise. And last but not least, I have a banner, and oh my god, this thing is actually really long. Like, I can't even. All right, let's see. I put it that way. So here is the emblem. It looks like that. That is so cute. So this is everything. So let's see what we have here. Oh god, this is actually a big one. Oh my god. And again, everything is Accio exclusive. We got a backpack. We got a notebook. And we got a pin. So everything is very emerald green. So one last time of everything I got here. I have Slytherin pin. I have the backpack. We have the notebook and this beautiful long runner here. But the thing we're missing is, so here's the cheat sheet of everything, and we are missing Hedwig. Poor Hedwig. So yeah, and everything that we have here is the thing. So I just want to take a quick